Hi guys, this is the euraud, that means Euro Australia forex pair. Here you can easily see that this is the good opportunity for finding a buy, but not now. It's still not good. Have a good buy confirmation. You have to wait. As you can see, this is the good daily time frame, and this is the good daily trend line, and you have to wait for good bullish candle from here. As you can see, if you get a good buy opportunities, then you have to select take profit here, and also you can draw a Fibonacci here, and here is also a 61.8 level, so we have to take profit here, and as a result you can your profit ratio will be 250 pips and only 50 pips. So we have to wait from here and find a good buy opportunity. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you are new in my channel. I will be upload regular video for forex analysis.